In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any object glow in Blender with an emission shader. We'll start by choosing the object that you want to glow. Simply left-click it in the 3D viewport to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline highlight. This ensures that every change you make from here on out targets the correct object and not something else in your scene. Next, head over to the Material Properties panel. It's the one with the small sphere icon on the right side of the interface. If the object doesn't already have a material, click New to create one. A material defines how your object looks, its color, reflectivity, and in this case, how it emits light. So creating a new one gives us a clean slate to work with. To set up the glow, switch one of your viewports to the shader editor. This lets you work with nodes, which are visual building blocks for materials. In the shader editor, you'll see nodes like principled BSDF and material output. Think of the material output as the final connection. Whatever you plug into it determines what shows up on your object's surface. Now add the emission shader. Press Shift plus A, go to Shader, and choose Emission. This node is what makes the material emit light-like color, giving that glowing look. Emission doesn't reflect light, it generates it visually, which is exactly what we want for a glow effect. Connect the emission shader to the material. If the principled BSDF node is currently connected to the material output surface input, disconnect it. Then drag from the emission node's output and plug it into the surface input of the material output. Once it's connected, your object will immediately switch to using the emission shader, and you should see a noticeable change in the viewport. Finally, adjust the color and strength to dial in the glow. Click the color swatch on the emission node to choose any color you like. Cooler colors like blue or teal feel futuristic, while warm colors like orange or red create a more dramatic, energetic look. Then increase the strength value to make the glow brighter. A small increase gives a subtle effect. Higher values push the glow to be more intense. Keep in mind that very high values can overpower the scene visually, so adjust until it looks balanced with your lighting. And that's it. You've selected your object, created a material, set up the nodes in the shader editor, connected an emission shader, and fine-tuned the color and strength to achieve a clean, controllable glow.